perfectly fried frozen chicken wings every time.
Hello there, culinary explorers. Today, we're tackling a tasty challenge: frying frozen chicken wings without thawing them. It may seem tricky, but with the right approach, you can create a flavorful dish that's crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. Let's dive right in.
How long should you fry frozen chicken wings?
This is a key question when it comes to perfecting your fried wings. When you're starting with frozen chicken wings, you'll want to fry them for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. The exact timing can depend on the size of the wings and the temperature of your oil, but this range should give you deliciously cooked wings. Remember to maintain a consistent frying temperature. Too low, and your wings will be oily and soggy. Too high, and they could burn on the outside before they're cooked through. Aim for a temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for optimal results.
How can you tell when your wings are done?
A question just as important as the cooking time is knowing how to tell when your wings are perfectly cooked. Use a meat thermometer to check the internal temperature. You're aiming for a safe minimum internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. The wings should also have a golden brown color on the outside. If they're not quite there after 15 minutes, keep frying until they reach that enticing shade of golden brown deliciousness.
Any extra tips for frying frozen wings?
Certainly. Here are some quick tips to get the most out of your frying experience. 1. Don't crowd the pan. Frying too many wings at once can lower the oil temperature and result in less crispy wings. 2. Shake off ice crystals before frying. This can help prevent oil splatter. 3. Always remember to drain your wings on paper towels after frying to remove excess oil. And there you have it. With a bit of know-how and some attention to detail, you can fry up delicious frozen chicken wings without having to thaw them first. We hope this guide has been helpful and encourages you to explore more exciting culinary adventures. Until next time, happy frying!